Hi, I'm Chris Devonner for Tundra Restaurant Supply, and in today's episode, I'm going to show you the new improved versatility of the Nemco Easy Chopper 3. The first improvement you can obviously see with the Nemco Easy Chopper 3 is the color-coordinated pusher blocks and blade assemblies themselves. This will prevent any kind of destructive mismatches where you're putting the wrong size pusher block with the wrong size blade assembly. On top of that, the pusher block itself is made out of a new nylon-based resin, so it's a lot stronger and will prevent any kind of broken or chipped teeth in your food product. So the greatest feature of the new versatility on the Easy Chopper 3 is how quickly we can change blade assemblies to a different size. As you remember on the Easy Chopper 2, we had to release a bunch of wing nuts to be able to get the blade assembly out. Here, I can just snap it right out of place. And we're going to go right into the same size, the blue, the 3/8 inch, into the slicing blade, and just snaps into place. And as you can see, the same blue pusher block fits right in between those blades. And if you also notice, these pusher blocks have a nice removable rubber gasket that can come out of the grid for easy cleaning and can also be replaced on their own individually in a 3-pack. And plus, the wedger is also now interchangeable in the same unit. Let's see this thing in action. The last enhancement that makes the Nemco Easy Chopper 3 so versatile is that you can now fit a full 6-inch deep pan underneath the unit itself. Let's look at this little guy in action. And last but not least, Nemco did not forget about how easy it should be to switch out to a citrus wedger. Here we go. And I'm Chris Devonner for Tundra Restaurant Supply, and that's the Nemco Easy Chopper 3. Be sure to comment below for any questions and call our sales floor directly for assistance on matching up the size and colors to your needs.